Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone healthcare work-from-home job lead. I know a lot of you are looking for non-phone healthcare positions, so I am trying to find as many as I can. But of course, as always, if that is not what you're looking for, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, and the links to everything I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, ExamWorks is a company that we have shared on this channel before. They are hiring again. They have 356 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.0 out of 5-star rating. And today they are hiring a records coordinator. Now, this is remote. It is a full-time position, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And they're looking for someone who is on the specific time zone. But if that is you, they're looking for an organized and detail-oriented person to be a records coordinator. Internally, that's known as the document management technician. They are paying between $21 to $23 an hour, but you're basically just going to be gathering and sorting medical records. It says you'll gather, print, and organize examinee charts for examinations and deposition purposes. Charts are patients' medical records. Responsible for sorting and maintaining the electronic or hard copy of the medical records and medical report forms. You'll finalize completed charts by confirming all the records are there and consolidate the charts as needed. You'll prepare and send any records to physicians within a timely time frame, and you'll perform clerical duties like typing, filing, emailing, proofreading, all of those things. Now, you are going to have to follow HIPAA standard regulations and guidelines. But if this is something you are interested in, they don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who has a minimum of 1 year of some kind of related experience. You've got to know general computer knowledge. They're looking for someone who can use Microsoft Word, Outlook, Excel, all of those things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.